Hey guys, it's going to be kind of a different type of video today. So what I want to do to this little Power Wheels car that my mom pulled out of someone's trash a few months ago, I want to be able to hook up one of my drill batteries to it, and I want it to be something that I can just quickly disconnect, and I also want to put a switch on it, because my little nieces and nephews, they ride this around, and I want to be able to just switch it off or just switch out the battery. I did have a couple sealed lead acid batteries in there, but it just takes so long to recharge them. If I do it with my Makita batteries, then I can just kind of swap one off, you know? So, I guess we'll get started. So, in order to connect to the battery, I actually made this a while ago. I actually made this just to sit in my toolbox, but you hook up a battery to it and it'll give you a little XT60 lead that I soldered that up. If I had another one of these, I'd show how to do that, but unfortunately I didn't make a video about it. I want to use one of these little organizer boxes as a kind of something to put the battery in. This is going to be a really quick and dirty project, so if I can just throw the battery in there and plug in, then I'm ready to go. But there's one more thing. So here's my switch. Good. Now I just need to get that switch involved. Alright, here's what I'm thinking. It's trashy as hell. But, you know, it'll be strong enough for the kids to be jumping up and down on, and that's the main point of it. Because I'm working hard on this. See, you can't even tell that I didn't use a scroll saw for that. See, it blends right in. Paint's dry enough. Let's see how she does. I pretty much sit on the back of it.